What's up guys, this is Tech and How To, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to download paid and tweaked applications and games using HIPSTORE. There are people who are facing problem in downloading apps and games using app even, so this is the easiest method to download paid and hacked applications and tweaked applications for your iPhone. This method will work on iOS 9, 10 and 11. I am on iOS 11.3.1. So let's start. Before we start, make sure to clear history and website data of Safari by going to settings, then scroll down to Safari, then click on clear history and website data to download third-party applications without any issue. So let's start. Open Safari, go to that link that is given in the description as always. Once it search, you will see this screen on your iPhone. If you press this, you will see category of applications and games. If you click on games, all the paid games are there: Minecraft, Grand Theft Auto, NBA and all. If you click on applications, all the rare applications are there. You can also perform a search. If you want to download any, just click on it and click on download now. Then you will instantly receive a pop-up that click on install again, and it will start installing where you have space. It's downloaded and installed. After manually allow access, you can launch this. This is the tweaked version of Tinder. There are a lot of more apps like that. You can download any. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this. Drop me your suggestions in comment box. Follow me on Facebook. Thank you.